Traditionally, businesses make money by creating products or providing services. Apple sells iPhones, laptops, and tablets, but also provides services like iCloud and iTunes. But what if I told you some of the biggest businesses in the world don't own or create any products? Yet some of them are worth billions of dollars. This business model is called the connector model. By simply being the middle person, they connect customers to products and services. Uber is the biggest taxi company in the world but owns no taxis. They simply connect customers to drivers. Airbnb is one of the biggest accommodation businesses but doesn't own any real estate. It connects customers with places to stay. What these companies do own is the underlying technology that makes this happen. Whether that's an app or website, this gives them competitive advantage. But how do these connector companies make money if they're just connecting A to B? There are three main revenue streams within this model. First, revenue from commission. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy charge sellers a commission on each sale. Second, revenue from advertising. Google is the perfect example. Businesses pay to appear higher in search results. In 2021, Google made over $200 billion, with 80% from advertising. Third, revenue from subscriptions. Netflix users pay monthly to access content on the platform. In 2021, Netflix generated over $30 billion from subscriptions. Many large companies combine all three revenue streams. Amazon makes money from commissions, ads, and Prime subscriptions. That's why they're worth over $1 trillion. The connector model is also how influencers and creators make money today. With a large following, they connect their audience to products in exchange for commission. We now live in a world where you don't need to create your own products. You just need to be effective at solving someone's problem by pointing them in the right direction. Facebook connects friends without creating content. YouTube connects creators with audiences. LinkedIn connects professionals without operating offices or organizing events. These companies identified gaps in markets and positioned themselves as essential connection points. The technology becomes their most valuable asset and competitive advantage. Once built, the same platform can serve one customer or 1 million with similar costs. This scalability allows these companies to grow exponentially. The commission model creates alignment. The more successful users are, the more the platform makes. Attention has become the most valuable commodity in our digital age. Google monetizes attention by connecting businesses with customers at the moment of intent. Social media platforms provide free connection, then sell targeted advertising space. Subscription services create ongoing value that justifies recurring payments. The most successful connector businesses combine multiple revenue streams for resilience. Today's creators operate sophisticated connector businesses using the same principles. Anyone with ability to build trust can participate in the connector economy. Entrepreneurial success no longer requires massive capital or manufacturing facilities. Success comes from identifying problems and building systems to connect solutions. We're still in early stages. New connection opportunities emerge constantly. Virtual reality, AI, and blockchain will create new ways to connect people. The future belongs to those who build elegant bridges spanning the gaps, whether building billion-dollar platforms or serving specific communities. In our hyper-connected world, the power to connect others is the most valuable skill.